Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the following chart shows the number of students in a school who play one of three sports. Find the number of students who play at least two sports. Here we have given the students who play football, hockey and tennis. We have given the number of students in the given figure. Suppose F is for football, then H is for hockey and T is for tennis. Now here we have given the students who play hockey and football are 12. Here we can observe. Then students who play hockey, football and tennis are 10 number of students. Then students who play football and tennis are 15. And students who play hockey and tennis are 12. So the number of students who play at least two sports are given by students who play hockey and football plus student who play hockey, football and tennis plus student who play football and tennis plus student who play hockey and tennis. So add these values: 12 plus 10 plus 15 plus 12, it will give 49. So there are 49 students who play at least two sports.